Tutorial on how to get the embedded code of a YouTube video on your mobile. Open the YouTube on your browser like Firefox or Opera, not on the application. Because if you open application, you cannot see these three dots. So you open here on our browser, then YouTube. Here the difference. Here you can see the three dots. So click here, and then desktop site. We are now on the desktop site. On the application, you cannot see these three dots, and also you cannot see the embedded code.
And welcome back to my channel. I hope you're
Like this. When you click share, you can only copy the link, but there's no embedded code. So go back to the application. Here you can check this video.
Tusok-tusok and pamamanhid again and again could be signs of nerve damage.
Then
Helps treat
let's
nerve
zoom
damage
with
at the root to help
Then
stop the
share.
symptoms from bothering you again. The
Now you can see the
range.
embedded code. I'll just copy this embedded code. Copy. And you can put it on your blogs. If you are blogging or you have a website that you want to embed this video, you can embed it now. For example, I will go to my blogger. I have to go back to mobile. Here I can see. Here HTML. You can post it here. Assume I posted it here because I lost the code. Anyway, that's how you can get the embedded code of a YouTube video on mobile. Keep sharing and like our page.